Yes, yes. So good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Good afternoon, so much. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm good, and thank you for asking. And how are you? How is your things
Yes, I'm
going
also
on? How?
great. Thank you so much for asking. And I really thrilled to see you here once again. Okay, so how are
Okay.
you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you for asking. I'm fresh as a flower. And how are you? How is your end? How is your attend? How is your life going on?
Yes, I can say I am good and I'm not proper good because nowadays I am having back pain. So this is really very difficult for me sit a long time, more than 1 hour I can say.
Oh, what happened,
Yeah.
ma'am? What happened to you?
I don't know, sudden backbone started aching.
Oh, oh,
Yeah, it's a really very bad pain.
okay, okay,
Mm-hmm. And what
okay.
about you?
I am okay, ma'am. I'm normal. I'm happy and fresh.
Okay,
No,
that's a great.
nothing
That's a
is there to
great.
complain.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, so I watched a couple of video of yours with Nan Kumar sir. So I really very enjoyed that particular video because you are not only talking with him as well as we are also learn so many things from your video when you talk especially with Nan Kumar sir. I think they have also they have lots of experience of particular this field, right? So
Yes.
I really eager to know about how did you approach him and
We have to search for the tutors, and I like him, so I'm great fan of him. So I searched him and I found him. And other than Nandakumar sir, I had some sessions with other tutors also. That also I uploaded in my channel. And when it comes to sir, I feel that we have been we have been knowing each other for some couple of days, couple of sessions. So I don't want to introduce myself again. So we can go in a normal regular pace.
yes, yes. And his way of talking I really like very much. When I
Yes.
watched his video, I never ever feel monotonous or feeling like no, I don't watch. Every
Yes,
session is really very interesting.
yes, of
And
course.
he always keep smiling, keep laughing. So this is
Yes,
really very awesome. Yeah.
yes.
So yes,
Actually, yes,
yes,
he brings his session like that.
yes.
He actually takes his session like this, and if he sees that we are something upset, and he somehow manages us to laugh or involve us in that in his speech.
Right, right. All right. So here there are so many and English lover. Those are really want to speak fluently. So they are also looking forward, like English Yari, Clapping Go. So could you tell me the process how we can approach that particular tutor? Because there are so many papers. They don't know what is the exactly processing to approach English Yari or Clappingo tutor, and as well as I would also like to how much they take price. Yeah, is it one by one
Okay.
session cost or is it like a monthly or 6 month? What
It's
is the
up to
process?
us. It's up to us. We can choose. The
Yes,
subscription
ma'am.
plan
So
is available
please,
on the
yeah. So
plan.
please tell me everything.
No, actually, it's up to you. It's up to everyone, and we can go through if you want to take any subscription, you have to download that app, and you should attend a demo class by paying a small amount. And after that, there will be tutors available on the home page. The available tutors will be displayed on the home page. You have to select according to your wish, and there will be a description about the tutors also. You have to choose, and based on your criteria and based on your needs, and you have to go with the tutors. And if you are okay with certain tutors, you can continue with them. And there are so many plans are available, and you can choose for monthly package, 3 months package, 6 month package, and a year package. Everything is there, and it's up to us. And based
All
on our
right.
time availability, we have to choose.
Okay. Am I visible to you, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are visible.
Okay, just wait. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So could you tell me how much fee take one session?
Well, actually, it depends. If you want to book it for 8 sessions, 16 session, and 12 sessions, it depends. And if you go through the page, you'll come to know there would be a offer, ma'am. Every time for the festival, they will give some offer, and if you are willing to do that, you can grab that offer, grab that opportunity, and you can go, ma'am. So it
All
depends. If you
right.
take 8 sessions and 12 sessions, the amount will be deviated. You will get the ratio. There
All
will be a
right. All right.
difference in the amount, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Each and
But once
everything.
if you go through, if you install that app, you will come to know everything.
Right. 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 All right. So as we are meeting first time, I would also love to know about you. So could you
Okay.
elaborate little bit about you?
Yes, 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 ma'am. I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, and my native place is Salem, Ottur. It's a village. My native place is a village. My village name is Vadagumarai. It is 60 to 70 kilometers away from Salem. Salem is the district. And when it comes to my education, I did my master's in engineering, and I was a lecturer before marriage. And after marriage, I had job in, I was working in a bank, a nationalized bank for almost 12 years. And afterwards, I quit my job, and I was frustrated and I was melancholic. And it was my daughter who truly turned over a new leaf by suggesting to enhance my English skills by starting a new YouTube channel, ma'am. And she encouraged
Okay.
me a lot, and she also asked me to see this channel as blessing as in disguise, and she also motivated me to keep working on it. So I'm doing that, and
Wow.
is as soon as she gets up, she wants to see my mobile, and she wants to see my subscribers, the views, likes of for my videos. And afterwards, I really love to see her face, how she enjoys it, and how much happy she has on her face. I really love that. So in order to make her happy, in order to say that I'm also moving further and I'm also going smoothly, I actually doing my effort, ma'am, in this YouTube journey.
Yes, I can see. Yeah. Right.
Yes, that's all, ma'am.
Wow,
About me, I
great.
have two
Your daughter
daughters.
motivated you. Wow, that's a
Yes,
really lovely. Okay.
yes, I have
And
two daughters, ma'am. My elder one, yes, she supported me to do this, and my younger one, she's in UKG. She doesn't know anything about this. She knows that mom is doing something on her laptop and mobile. She's busy with some other work. She knows that's all. And she's also asking me to do shorts because I haven't tried any shorts so far. So she's insisting me to start shorts. So I don't know whether I will do or not. But anyhow, I have to fulfill their wish. So maybe I would start, ma'am, it soon.
Wow, amazing, ma'am. And I can say because of just your daughter, you start a game journey, being a
Yes,
as like you are earlier banker or lecturer, and then you quit your journey because of I think your kids, right? And I think
yes,
you
ma'am.
start your again journey, and you make environment just at your home to meet each
Yes,
other, to share our feelings each other. That's a really
yes,
wonderful. And
yes.
yeah, and here, one things, or I can say one point came to my mind. Where gets your daughter ideas to mom do like this activity?
Because she has been watching so many videos in mobile while eating. She watches some English related content on mobile. I gave her permission to watch mobile at that time only. Otherwise, I will not allow her to watch it. So she asked me, Amma, why don't you start your channel, and why don't you just improve your English skills and have conversation with others, and you come to know what others are doing apart from working outside. So at home, you see which is your convenient and what's your convenient. You can go along with that. So she was
Wow.
advising me a lot.
Wow,
And
that's
even
wonderful.
after coming from school, before starting my channel, she used to ask me every day, "Amma, have you started? Did you start your channel?
Oh
Did
my
you this,
God.
this, did you give
Okay.
name to your channel and show me it?" And she was keep on asking, she was keep on encouraging me.
Wow, that's wonderful, I can say. If
Yes,
someone
and
is encouraging us or asking us something, so we get more motivate.
yes, of course. And she has so many plans. I don't have any plans, but she has so many plans, and she is actually telling me to do so many things. But I am actually procrastinating it. I am putting off everything. Okay, I'll do.
You are really very blessedful. I can say you have a really such a great and smart daughter. I can say she advised you. How old is she? How old is she?
She is in seventh standard, and yesterday she also started her conversation with Beatty ma'am. And ma'am, Beatty ma'am, have you talked with her,
No,
ma'am?
no,
No.
I don't know.
She is
BT
from West
man.
Bengal. Uh,
Yeah, I think you also talked with her. Maybe
yes.
sh- uh,
And ma'am told that I want to have a conversation with your daughter, and that was happened yesterday.
all
And now
right.
after this session, she asked me to help how to edit that video. She only wants to edit that her video.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. I also eager to talk with your daughter, and definitely I will connect one day.
Yes, 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 ma'am,
Yes.
yes. So
Okay,
I
that's
would like
really
to know
very
about you
interesting.
also, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, sure, ma'am. As you know that my name is Suman. I am from Delhi and I have done my graduation. Apart from that, I have done NTT diploma. Currently, I'm doing masters in English literature and I am a teacher by profession. I also started my channel. It's been 10 months. Yeah, that's all about me.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So
And
are you
as well
working now?
as, sorry.
Are you working now, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Actually, I teach student at my home as like a coaching. I teach from
At
4 to
what?
6. I'm asking,
At home.
yes, yes. I'm teaching at my home. I don't go any school.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes,
So otherwise it
yes.
would be tough for you, right, to balance both the thing in your YouTube channel and your profession. But anyhow, you are doing that one.
Yes, yes, right. And as well as I am also, I can say learner. I also learn each and every single day vocabulary, phrases like that.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So, as you have two daughters, right, ma'am? And it's a really very tough to handle everything. So,
But they are very, what to say,
mhm.
ma'am? They don't depend on me for everything.
Okay.
They can do their things on their own. I don't want to, is for example, if she wants to take her dress, she knows where is it, and she comes to that cupboard and she takes it and go, ma'am. She don't ask me every time. She doesn't want
Mm-hmm.
to ask me every time, ma'am. So I have trained them like that. So they should not depend on me for each and everything. And for eating also, if I have some work, my elder one, she feeds her the sister.
Wow, great. That's wonderful.
So here there is no such mess, ma'am. They can
Mhm.
manage. I can manage with them very well mannered, ma'am.
All right. So, do you have any helper or do you do
No.
everything by on yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I do everything on my own. And my younger one, elder one, my daughters will help me. They actually help me in everything, ma'am. My younger one, and when after coming from the market, she knows where to put the vegetables, and she does that. My younger one, she knows how to make chutney, and she knows to make dosa, idli, and all. So if I'm occupied with
Wow.
some other work, they know how to handle the kitchen.
You are a great mother as well as you know there are so many mothers. This specially told me I don't allow to my kids in the kitchen because they are young. If they burn or if they harmful somewhere, so what should I do? So we don't think like that, I think. If we teach them properly, so they can also do.
Yes, ma'am, yes. But first, for first 3 times, we should have that patience and
Hello.